Hello, my good people. It's underscore Eunice from Kenya, and today is a new day that God has given unto us. Thank you guys for tuning in my YouTube account by subscribing, liking, viewing. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. When commenting, I appreciate much, guys. I hope, guys, you are celebrating your Christmas and New Year. Yeah, guys. And thank you, wherever you are, guys, for your support. You have been supporting me, guys, through this journey. Yeah, guys, thank you very much, guys. As you can see, guys, here this main road here, guys. I have stayed some months before coming to this place, so I came to visit this place. Let me show you this. You can see on my back that fence, guys, that farm. Let me show you well. Yes, yeah, this farm, guys, that I'm telling you about. You can see this farm is very big. Yeah, big tract of land. Yeah, this is owned by one of the European of this place. Yes, and you can see what is planted here, guys. Yeah, you can see, guys. Yeah, and before that, guys, I have seen new things here. They have built some houses there. I think those are chicken houses. Yeah, they are. There are very many there, guys. They have built them there. Let me go and check. Yeah, let's go together, guys. Yeah, you know, guys, this place, guys, have stayed some months. I think the last time I came to this place, it was August. Yeah, you can see that timeline from August to this December. Yeah, this is the end month here. Yeah. So I have seen new things, guys. These houses, I think they are greenhouses that they have built there. They are for raising chicken. They are from chick to chicken, from egg to chick to chicken. Yeah. And guys, you can see in this farm, you can see there is many houses that have been built there. Those are cow shed. Yeah, those one. It's where the cows are living. Yeah. They are living there inside, guys. I think even they have written the number. You can see the number of those houses there, guys. Yeah, these are new things, guys, I have seen. But they are inside this farm, guys, and these were electric, so I cannot enter inside. You can see how they have planted some trees there inside. See, yes, like that. Yeah, here are these houses, guys. Yeah, guys, you can see now these how they are. These, I don't know how I would call them, but these are new things, guys, that I have never seen here. You can see these houses. I can see even the cans here. See, they are for chicken, raising chicken. Yes, and they are very many, guys. You can see when they have listed these houses so that they can know. I can see B20, B22. There is even B12, guys. Let me show you. You can see how they have listed them so that they can know the number. Yeah, the chicken that are now big and the others that are chicks, they can know here differences. Yeah, like that. And the water for chicken, yeah, guys, you can see. And this is for the European who came in this area. Yeah. Yeah, guys, they are looking very beautiful, guys. You have seen how they have built house for chicken. Yeah, this farm is still continuing growing, guys, because many people of this place, guys, the European are selling those chicken to the people who want them, who need them. Yeah, and even to the restaurant. You know, restaurant. Yeah, they need this chicken to cook for the people. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is a new thing that I have seen before on that 6, I think is from, yeah, 4 months, guys. I've seen new thing in this farm, guys. Yeah, it's very good. Yes, and this farm, guys, I can tell you these are tracts of acres. I can tell you it's like 50 acres and 100 acres, but here to that end is 50 acres. To other side there is another place there. Yeah, this farm is very big, guys, I can tell you. Yeah, and this village, guys, now it's growing how we are going on, because you have seen like European are migrating to this area, and this is my village home. Yeah, and the people are getting job opportunity because raise that chicken, he or she need somebody who will take care of those chicken, to check on them, to give them some water and food. Yeah, that's why people of this place are getting job opportunity, guys. Yes. Yeah, guys, and you can see how they have arranged them, guys. They are very beautiful, very smart, they look very nice. Yeah, guys. Yes, you can see how this place is very beautiful. And these wires, guys, here you can see they are electric wires, so they are very dangerous, because you know, guys, there is thieves everywhere. There is thieves, guys, that come to destroy your properties. Yeah, that's why these electric wires are helping them to raise those chicken. And even elephants come to this area every time, because the forest is there close to that place, so they cannot pass here, guys, to destroy these properties. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. And the thing that have nice me, guys, is how they have planted trees inside that farm. Yeah, very good. You can see even they are taking care of these trees, small trees. Yes. Yeah, guys, I have to take another corner, guys, going to this side to check on this side, guys. I can. Yes. Yeah, guys, this place is very beautiful, guys. Yeah, everything is good. Yeah, this is the final destination. You can see, guys, where the farm is now. The end of it in this side. The other part you can see on that side is still the same farm, guys. So this farm is very, very big. We can't see the end of it, guys, like right now. Yes, it's very, very big, very big. Yeah, guys, now, guys, I want to go home, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys, to my YouTube account, guys. And comment, guys, the work that you are seeing that I'm doing is bad. You can comment there, guys. Yeah. And thank you, guys, for your support. If you have friends, guys, can tell them to subscribe for me. Share with them these videos, guys. And continue, guys, watching this video, guys. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. I hope, guys, will enjoy this video, guys. Watching to the end. Watch to the end, guys. Yeah, and you'll see new things in this village, guys. Yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you.